Hey YouTube, it's Big Rig here from NTS Pack, and today I wanted to do a video just explaining how to get monetized on YouTube. We have recently got monetized, so yeah, that's exciting. That's something that we work towards. The kids and my wife, we all work together, and we finally got there. Now, it took us 3 months, so we started in December 2020, and around end of February, beginning of March, we hit the mark. So we got our 1,000 subscribers. The subscribers are still going up, so reminder, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell so you don't miss out on any new content. Now, yeah, so we hit our 1,000 subscribers and we got the 4K public watch hours. With the 1,000 subscribers, is not time dependent. So my channel, I've had it since 2012. Loaded a few videos on it, but didn't really do much. And then in December 2020, my kids were asking, they wanted to do something on YouTube. So I said, why don't you take over a channel that I used to have? And yeah, they into gaming as well, so they took over the channel and started uploading gaming content. I've helped. I'm a big kid, so it's all good. And together we were live streaming and also uploading gameplay videos. And yeah, so we finally got there. Now, to get monetized, like I said, the subscribers, you don't have to have them, you don't have to reach 1,000 subscribers within 12 months. My channel had 128 subscribers to begin with. So that bit was okay. The 4,000 public watch hours, that's the one that you have to have within the last 12 months. So if your public watch hours are older than that, it will not count towards it. And when you log into YouTube Studios, and you look on the left hand side of the screen, you'll see a $sign. When you click on that, you'll see 2 meters. One will show you how many subscribers you have, the other one your public watch hours. Also, I use the YouTube Studio app. So they've updated the app recently. It used to show in minutes, so you needed 240,000 minutes, but now I think it shows in hours as well, so that's pretty good. To get to monetization is plan your content. Look, our content is different because we're a gaming channel. So each time we game or of course live stream, the content gets uploaded. But you do have to plan, like if you are uploading videos once a week, twice a week, or whatever suits your schedule, and be consistent with that. If you're a bit all over the place, then it won't work, because one, your subscribers won't know if you're coming or going and when you're uploading new things, and while they're waiting for you, they'll just move on to other channels. And then of course the other thing is the YouTube won't be able to recommend your new videos to your subscribers or to anyone new, because it doesn't know when it's going to be uploaded. So try to keep it consistent. If it's once a week, do it once a week, that particular day. Twice a week, the more you upload, I think it's better, because if you can do one a day, it's even better, because there's always something fresh there, so someone can binge watch. We all love Netflix, and obviously if there's a show, you just want to watch one after the other before you know it's morning and you gotta go to work. With your content as well, don't make it, and don't force yourself to make your content, because obviously it's going to show that in your videos, if you're live, or if you're making a video where your public can see you, they can also hear it in your voice if you're live streaming, that you're forcing yourself to be there. You don't really want to be there, and of course it shows that you're not having fun. So if you're not having fun, your viewers aren't. And of course, practice makes perfect. So you could have like 20 takes, you could have 10 takes, and you won't get it. You won't get it perfect the first time. It's just the more you do it, the better it will be. I'm not very good in front of a camera, but the more I do it, the more comfortable I get. At first, I hated live streaming too, because you had to use the mic, and you actually talk to your viewers. But yeah, after that, it just becomes natural. It's like you're talking to a friend that's in the room. That's perfect. With your equipment, I don't think you have to start with expensive equipment. Just things that you might have already, So everyone's got a smartphone. You know, you can start with your smartphone and go from there. Like I said, depending on what type of content you're producing, then yeah, there are certain equipment that you will need. And what I find is it's nice to remind your viewers instead of telling them that, hey, go to the channel and like and subscribe. It's nice just, you know, while they're watching your content, we all do it. You'll watch a video and then you really do like the content, but then after you've watched it, you'll just close the page and you'll go and do what the video you know, you're watching it for. So if it was like, you know, do it yourself or how to, and you won't get a chance to like or subscribe, and then later on it's too late. So it's a nice way just to remind your viewers, if you could go on the channel, you know, like, subscribe, view other content, and of course, as always, just comment down below for any extra questions that you may have, or if you know, if there's any recommendations. So that's always nice, you know, to get their input on things. Yeah, so it's a short video, and it's, you know, it's just a little bit of information on what we did to get monetized, and how long it sort of took us. For each person is different. Look, if we don't make it in 3 months, you know, like I said, our channel's been around since 2012. So, you know, it did take a while for us to get there, but because you're going on, then coming off, going on. So it does, depending, yeah, on your viewers and your content. It can take maybe 6 months, a year, just depends. But be patient and you will get there. And I'll be back with more tips, I guess, depending on how this video does and you know, what type of comments I get. What I can do is end up doing another video, and yeah, hopefully have more helpful tips just to help me out. I mean, if you could go in the comment section and just, you know, put down some comments on what you would like to know. If it's something I can answer, definitely I will, or do research on it. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and thank you for sticking around. Keep supporting us. I mean, you know, growth is always good, so not complaining. Do watch, you know, as many content on our channel as possible. There's heaps there, I know, mostly do with gameplays, but every now and then we will throw in a video like this, so we, you know, you get to know us, and we can provide good content hopefully for you. And that's all from me. So from NTS, Big Rig out.